Hi, welcome to my channel Rainy Days, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade paint with just 4 very simple ingredients you can find all around the house. The equipment you'll need to make your homemade paint is a bowl, a whisk, some food colouring, an empty sauce bottle, a funnel. I didn't have one of these, so I literally just cut the top off a Coke bottle, your 3 cups of ingredients, and that is it. So to begin with, we need to add the 1 cup of salt, and then you need to add your 1 cup of warm water. You need to give it a very good mix, being careful not to waste it over the sides. Then you need to add a cup of flour. This is plain flour, and gently. As you can see, it's starting to slowly get this consistency of paint. This is a little bit thick, so I will just go and grab a little bit more water. Now I'm going to add in the food colouring. This is actually rainbow dust, which I've used before. I find this food colouring so much better than a lot of other ones because you do not need a lot at all. And the colours are amazing. See, look how beautiful, vibrant that has come out. Now here comes the tricky part, removing the paint from your bowl into your bottle. And there you have it, your homemade paint.
That's big.
That's enough.
I'm making a picture.
What are you gonna draw?
A shaker. I'm making a shaker. You try it.
That's beautiful.
I'm making a triangle now. I can make that one now.
Oh, thank you.
I'm making. It's a lot. I'm making. I done that one now. I done that one.